Struggling to add work experience to your Namecheap site? Here is exactly how to do it in under 5 minutes. So you have your website all set up, but that work history section is either empty or just not there yet. It is one of those things that makes a site look professional and complete, but finding the right buttons to click can be a little tricky. We will click through the editor together to add your job titles, company names, and even multiple roles. Let us start. First, go ahead and navigate to your site inside the Namecheap website builder. This is your main dashboard where you see all your projects. Just open the editor for the site you want to work on. Now, find the Work Experience block on your page. It might already be there as a placeholder, or you might have added it from the sidebar. Either way, click on that section so it is selected and ready for us to edit. You should now see some highlighted areas on the screen. Go ahead and click on that first highlight. This is the part you want to start filling in, so just click it to open the editing options. Next, you will see the subheading text. This is going to be your job title, like Marketing Manager or Barista. Click on that text and type in exactly what you want your title to be. And here is the really important part. Now we need to update the professional title. This is actually going to be your company name, not a fancy descriptor. So click on that field and type in the name of the business you worked for. All right, now click on the next highlight in that same block. This will let you add a short description of your duties or accomplishments. Keep it concise, just a couple of lines that really sell what you did there. If you have more than one job you need to add, do not worry. Look for the button or link that says Add Another Experience and click it. This creates a fresh, empty block right below your current one. Now, you just repeat those same steps for this new entry. Click the highlight, typing your new job title as the subheading, then add the new company name as the professional title. Fill in that description again, and you are building out a full history. Once you have all your roles entered, go ahead and click the Save button. Then hit the Preview button to see how it all looks on the actual page. This is your chance to catch any typos or formatting issues before the whole world sees it. Everything looking good? Then hit the Publish button to make it live. And just like that, your site is now showing off your complete professional work history. Give yourself a pat on the back. That was quick.